Hi Tito Bal, happy birthday po siya and stay po safe po palagi at huwag kang magpapakapagod ng gusto. Alagaan mo lagi ang sarili. Happy birthday.
Hello, Bal! Happy birthday and congratulations your wedding today. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday again. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Papa Bal at Kuya Primo! Wishing you a day that's as wonderful as you are. May your birthdays be sprinkled with fun and laughter. Happy birthday again!
Happy birthday to Tubal. Wish you all the best. Your birthday to Wish ko lang po sa iyo is good health. Sana po tigilan mo na po ang pag-iinom. And salamat din po kasi may nakilala din po ako dito sa Weplay. Joer. At kaulitan po. And kaasaran. Katampuhan. Yan lang po. God bless po. Sana po mag-enjoy ka po sa arawan mo po ngayon. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tito Bal. More birthdays to come. Sana po, huwag ka na umiyak. Tsaka, sana lagi ka nang masaya. And congrats po sa inyo, newlywed. Yun lang. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday to Ate Maria Donna. I'm sorry for calling you by your real name if you gave it to me because it's your birthday. First of all, I love you all so much. No matter what your problem is or what you're going through, as long as we're here for you. We won't abandon you, family exclusive, even if we sometimes tease or diss each as long as there's no harm one to blame. We're like that sometimes, but even if we're like friends or siblings or best friend, the teasing between us still doesn't go away. That's why I love you as your friend. So once again, happy 28th birthday to you, my best friend. And magpapahuli ako sa kasal mo. Congrats sa iyo. Sa inyo ni Shira, magpakatatag kayo. Yun lang. Thank you.
Hello, my love. Kakagulat naman to. Hello, my love. Happy birthday. Parang nasobrahan yung excited ko ngayon, ha. Nasobrahan yung makeup. So, ayun na nga. Happy birthday once again. Pasensya ka na. Wish you all the best. May God bless you abundantly. May God bless you more with your family. Laban lang sa lahat ng pagsubok. Pray mo lang yan kay God. Matiwala ka lang. Lumaban ka ng pakatatag ka sa araw-araw. Okay? Enjoy every single day. Be thankful as always through ups and downs. At huwag na huwag kang mawawala ng pag-asa. Kumapit ka lang kahit saan. Joke lang. So, ayun, once again, happy birthday and I love you so much.
Hello Lolo Karibo. Happy birthday po sa iyo. Sana kapalay ka pa ng abay kapal. Sana po maging masaya ang araw na ito. Tapos mag-enjoy ka lang lagi. Tapos walang wag kang magpaka-stress sa araw-araw kasi hindi naman yun nakakatulong sa sa kalusugan, tsaka hindi yun natutulong sa ang buhay natin. Tsaka I'm so very proud of you sa pagiging malakas mo, sa pagiging matatag mo sa iyong sarili sa araw-araw kahit na sobrang pagod ikaw sa trabaho. Tapos marami kang inaalagaan, marami kang inaalala. I'm so happy for you. And sa wedding video ng bebe mo, I'm so happy, I'm so proud. And congratulations.
Happy birthday, Tito Bal. Wish ko lang po sa'yo magkaroon ka ng good health. And continue mo na yung pagiging, yung pagiging open mo sa ama yan. treat us as a fam, and huwag mong kalimutan na stay kupal as always. Yun lang. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Best. Wish you all the best. Alam mo naman kung gano'n kita kamahal na tropa. At mag-iingat ka palagi, lalo na sa pagdadrive mo, lalo na't napapagod na yung gulong sa'yo. Ayun. Stay strong din sa inyong share, ha? Wish you all the best. Mapag-bini rin ang jasa.
Hi love, happy birthday. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na dito ko palagi, nakasupport ako sa'yo kahit na madalas nag-aaway tayo. And wish ko lang mas maging healthy ka, malagi kang mag-iingat sa work kasi nga alam mo naman na sakitin ka. Tapos ang hilig mo pang tumutungga-tungga. So ayun, maging healthy ka lang palagi, ingat, and I'm always here for you through your ups and downs. Love you.